surfer. Go ahead. Rev it. Go ahead. Again. That sounds phenomenal. Your sound decibels? Go ahead. Again. 117. Woo! Still got the temporary tags on it. Charger. And 5. That sounds phenomenal. Got a nice look to it. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. Let's see what she sounds like now. Much better. Oh my God. Again? Go ahead. What? That's freaking awesome. Oh yeah. Go ahead and back it out. There's the 2 magnaflows we cut off right there. They were choking it, man, those magnaflows. That sounds really good. It's ear orgasmic. Wow. And there's his channel if you guys want to follow his build. Right there on the Instagram, on YouTube. Follow him. Give him some support for giving us support. Yeah, that's awesome. It is perfect. 2021 Dodge Daytona Charger 6.4 liter. This is what it sounds like straight pipe with 5-inch tips. Look at his face. Your sound decibels? 122. Go ahead, back it up. Much better. Dodge Charger, Hellcat, wide body, sexy. Much better. What do you think? Thumbs up? Yes? That's fire, man. Like he said, it just hit puberty, so there you go. Your sound decibels? You hit 120, bro. Again? 122? It's in your chest, man. I love it. Very nice. And hit him up on his Instagram, guys. They're it's a whole group of guys, so there's their Instagram. Make sure you guys hit them up. Tell them Exhausted Addict sent you guys. I like it. Can't beat that sound, man. 6.2 of power. I like the color. That's sexy. Charger Hellcat 2023 with fully straight pipe, valve delete also. sound of it. It sounds so good. Feel that in your chest, that heavy power, guys. Oh my God. Much better. Yeah, he opened the valve. You can hear it. Go ahead. That's how it should sound. Wow, my ears. Again. 126, dude. That's awesome. Again. You feel that in your chest, man. Yes, sir. Hey. You have no idea how many neighbors call us and thank us for doing this one day. Yeah, a lot. I like the scheme on it, how you did the paint. That's sick. That's wrap. It's a wrap, right?
No, it's all factory. The only thing I wrapped was the 8-color in the air.
Really?
And the
Oh,
saddle
wow.
is factory.
That's awesome. All the way from Pennsylvania. I love it. That's how we came faster other than the village. RT is different. Nice beast mode. SRT8 Charger 2010. Really nice. Hopefully he'll go beast mode. We'll see. He said he would, so we'll see what happens. That idle sounds good. Listen to that. Oh yeah. You cannot beat that sound. Set it up, guys. Set it up. Oh, yeah. That's awesome. Oh, you get it. You cannot beat that. That sounds beautiful. Can't see anything, but that's beautiful. Dodge Charger Daytona, fully straight piped. There's the two mids that we deleted. It was earlier in the year he brought it, and we deleted the rears and put 5-inch tips. So it's fully straight pipe. Dodge Charger Hellcat 6.2 supercharged wide body, custom wrap, custom everything. Car's sexy. Love the idle on it. Dodge Charger Hellcat wide body SRT, sexy beast, fully straight pipe. She ready. He's gonna get a tune mix and bring it back. We'll let you hear it round 2. You guys enjoy. You can still hear it. 2022 Hellcat Redeye. X-pipe delete, mid delete, rear delete. True duals basically, other than the cats. That sounds phenomenal. With our signature black 5-inch tips. Came out really nice. Look at that. It's just sexy. I love that color scheme. Hopefully it'll give us a nice drive off.